Let us start the problem. Which is given? Which is given? Which is given?
BE perpendicular to.
What should be proved? What should be proved? RTP is what is that? RTP. What is that?
Triangle BED.
Triangle
BED.
BED.
Congruent to.
Triangle BED is congruent to
Triangle CF.
triangle CFD. Here, first one is what is that? Angle. First angle is what is that? Angle BED is equal to angle CFD. Angle CFD each 90 degrees. Each 90 degrees. This is R. Next one is BD is equal to BD side is equal to CD. CD. This is given side. This is a given side. Given side. Next one. Given side. Next one. What is that? Next. ED is equal to next side. ED is equal to AD. ED is equal to FD. ED is equal to FD. ED is equal to FD. This is also given side. Therefore, what is proven here? We have proved triangle. Therefore, triangle BED is similar to congruent to CFD. CFD. This is hence proved. Hence proved.